In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Microsoft Teams account settings with the goal of managing your accounts and organizations more effectively. Whether you're adjusting settings or modifying personal information, this guide will help you accomplish these tasks effortlessly. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. This might sound straightforward, but it's the foundation of what we're about to dive into. Ensure that you have the app installed or access it through a web browser if you prefer. Once you've done that, you're ready to proceed to the next steps. Now that you're inside Microsoft Teams, we're going to head over to the Settings area. You'll typically find this option by clicking on your profile picture or initials, usually located at the top right corner of the application. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is your central hub for a plethora of options to fine-tune your team's experience. Within Settings, look for the subsection labeled Accounts and Orgs. This is where all of your accounts linked to Microsoft Teams are managed. Clicking here will reveal information pertaining to any organizations you are part of. It's the place to manage the accounts you use to connect with varied teams and projects, making it an essential area for effective organization. Once you're in the Accounts and Orgs section, the next thing you'll do is click on Manage. This might prompt you to verify your credentials or sign in again, an added layer of security by Microsoft to confirm that it's you making these changes. You'll then be redirected to the Microsoft website where you'll land on a page labeled Your Profile. One important task you might want to perform here is editing your display name. It could be that you've changed your name or prefer a different moniker for your team's appearance. Whatever the reason, Microsoft makes it straightforward to alter this. Simply find the Edit Name option, select it, and update your details as needed. Remember to save the changes before navigating away to ensure your new display name is applied across Microsoft Teams. And just like that, you're done with managing your team's account details in a few simple steps. By spending just a few moments here, you can fully personalize the way your information is displayed and manage how you engage with your various teams. With these instructions, navigating and modifying settings within Microsoft Teams becomes a breeze. The more time you spend familiarizing yourself with these options, the more confident and efficient you'll become in managing your digital workspace. Be sure to revisit these settings from time to time to ensure everything remains up to date as your professional connections and roles evolve. I'm confident these steps will enhance your productivity and interaction within the Teams environment. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to watch again whenever you need a quick refresher on this process.